Are you struggling with limited ad serving in Google Ads and frustrated by restricted reach of your campaigns? Well, you are not alone. Well, limited ad serving occur when you bid on the trademarks or third-party terms, which are actually big trademarks and they are actively and heavily advertising on Google Ads. So starting this video, let me tell you that we are currently not opening this service to outside our client base. Fully after some more research, we will open this service to all. Well, one of our clients also faced this issue and their impressions were dropped by 50%. But as you see, we are the Google partners, and with all the resources that we have with our internal support team, we have gathered all the information and compiled all the data and documents from our clients. We were successful to lift the limited ad serving from their account. You can see, dear advertiser, we would like to inform you that we have reviewed your account, and according to our limited ad serving policy, we have determined that you meet the criteria for a qualified advertiser. As such, your ad impression will no longer be limited as a result of unclear brand relationship or generic ad, and the banner on your account will soon disappear. It was such a sigh of relief because, if you are running a Google ad campaign and often bid on your competitors or third-party trademark, then you can relate with us that this is such a horrific situation. And this is how we did it. This particular example is of the airline industry, but I have seen that whether you are promoting intercom, even the IT sector, even the digital marketing agencies like us. For example, if we want to promote ourselves, that if you want Google Ad Management, then please contact us. Then we have to bid on the Google Ads keyword, right? And similarly, in this case, if someone wants to target Singapore Airlines, then they have to bid on Singapore Airlines. The limited ad serving can come in any industry, but you should have all the documents with you, all the licenses with you to prove that you are authorized to promote certain products. You have the authorization to bid on certain keywords. For example, you are the dealer in electronics and you are promoting Samsung refrigerators and you are bidding on such keywords. Then you should have this authorization letter from the company that we are the authorized dealer of such and such company, and then that license or then that authorization letter should be provided to Google, and then they will manually review your account and lift the ban. If you don't have that license or document, then you cannot think of getting this thing lifted, because I have seen many accounts, many people struggle to recover their account from limited ad serving, but it's certainly not possible in a normal manner, right? So in this case, if you are in airline industry, then you should have your business registration documents and proper IATA, so that it proves you that it proves yourself as a authorized party to sell the products or sell the tickets for certain airlines, right? So this is how it goes. This was the video, guys, and if you are the one who is actually struggling with limited ad serving, then make sure that you research that what kind of documents is required legally to make sure that you are authorized to advertise certain keywords or certain products on your campaign. So it depends on your industry. Research it and gather all the valuable documents and then submit it to Google. For more videos such as case studies and expert Google Ads related video, you can watch our playlist and videos and learn from it. And if you want us to manage your Google Ads account, you can go to the link below and we will talk to you soon. And if you want professional landing pages to be built for your business, then you can certainly contact us for that as well. Well, I hope we should end this video. This is Ankit Srivastava from AdShot Media. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.